Ugh.
What's up, guys? Welcome to a brand new video. Shoot. Yep, that's what this is. I don't care, you guys don't know. Here's the better look at it. And it's really my costume because before I can see the video was it, you guys can barely see it. So now I got the stand. You guys can look perfect. Now I got this part. I got this part. This part. This part. This part. And this part. So spin. Yeah. My parents are me. Not like they travel to another country, but like they just went to go somewhere different, go back, like to a store. My mom is going to the mailbox. I don't know where my dad is going, so I'm basically here alone. Also, my sister is with my mom. I'm finally old enough to be by myself. Now, anyone that's feeling me, is watching me, is subscribing me. That's true. I'm cool. I get to be by myself. Well, you get to be some homeless hobo. Y'all. So, yeah. I think it's doing like a cartoon show, like each episode until season 1, and then until like a whole week is over, I'll do like season 2, and then I'll start to do season 9. Season 9 podcast videos. And after I get to explore everything, I got the battle pass, real, do season 3 at the grocery. Wait a second. That's it. It's March. I heard that season 9 will come out in May 12th. I think it was May 12th. I don't know for sure, but it's definitely in May 12th. I don't know everything though. So yeah. But it will make sense because I think we're in the 40s or the 50s right now. And that's only 2 months. And the next 2 months will be May, so it has to be around May. I'm really excited for season 9 to come out. Hope you guys are too. If you guys really like Fortnite, how much Gaming Raccoon videos, he's pretty cool. He does Roblox, Fortnite, some movies I think. He does announcements. He does pretty cool stuff. He does some cars videos. sure also did the same for Daniel Matias. He's super good. Also, those two are my cousins. The link will be in the picture below. Wait. Should I? Alright, let's look at. A bird pooped on my trampoline. I'm not even joking. A bird just pooped on my trampoline. I have proof. This isn't cookie dough from my ice cream video. No. Let me take my case off. Let me show you this pigeon doodles. Pigeon freaking dude. I'm not even going on this trampoline fast. I really think that's disgusting. It's right there. See it? No, you don't see it? Come closer. You will see what you will think it is. Ew! That is so disgusting. Why is there bird poop on my trampoline? There's barely even birds coming down. I mean, usually I just look up at the sky and I just see some, but there's only like 5. Imagine there's just a billion all around. I wouldn't even do this video. That is really disgusting. Ew. Just look at that. Look at that. That's disgusting. Who would want to play in that? That's disgusting. I mean, maybe kindergartners, because, you know, they're stupid. Yeah. But also, I hope you guys like and subscribe. Click the notification bell so that you never miss a video again. And I'll see you guys on the flip side. Also, if you don't know what the notification bell, it's right next to the subscribe button. And it's like a gray bell. It's like a gray bell. Click on it. You will never miss a video. I promise that. It wouldn't like vibrate. I don't think so. I think it would just like it'll like if you like go down on that, it will say something on YouTube, like the YouTube logo. You scroll it down, it'll say I made a new video. Because I'll see you guys on the flip side. Literally. Frick. Peace. Just look at how disgusting that is. Like, seriously. So disgusting.